The Department of Health and Human Services Suicide and Violence Prevention Program has extended to firearms retailers.
The Suicide and Violence Prevention Program is a program within county public health that's designed to decrease our suicide rates here in Humboldt County by using preventative measures.
76% of firearm deaths in Humboldt County were suicide-related. One preventative measure as part of their Keep It Safe campaign is offering free lockboxes throughout firearm retailers in the county. Ballistic Precision is one of the many firearm retailers who have partnered with the DHHS to provide free lockboxes.
Adding those lockboxes to the whole situation really is beneficial because, cable locks are great, but they're not strong. Whereas the lock boxes, they are, 16 gauge steel, heavy duty, they're California DOJ approved. They're not just any lockbox. You can't just have any lockbox. They have to be approved by the Department of Justice.
The indoor shooting range has lockboxes on display with a sign stating that overdose, injury, and suicide can be prevented. A sign telling those with thoughts of contemplating suicide to call 988, the National Suicide Hotline, sits above the counter.
Generally, firearm owners aren't as susceptible to suicide as someone else maybe in the household or a friend that knows that there's a firearm that they could gain access to. So having it locked up can really deter somebody in that moment.
Other retailers include RMI Outdoors, Bucksport Sporting Goods, Pacific Outfitters, and Fortuna Ace Hardware. The program won the Striving for Zero Suicide Prevention Excellence Award at a state conference for the partnership.
We're really trying to borrow the concept of harm reduction and apply that here. So we are definitely trying to work with people and work with what they're comfortable with, while also trying to achieve our goals of reducing suicide.
It's a goal both retailers and the DHHS share.
Without these gunshot project partners, this really would be impossible. Something that I've noticed in doing this work is that pretty much everyone who's working as a retailer at a range in that community, when I bring up the subject of what we're trying to work on, they have a story. So there's a lot of personal motivation for people in this community to really try and keep the community safe.
In Eureka, I'm Sergio Berrueta for Redwood News.